In this video, you will learn how to use your screen recorder. Here you can set the resolution, the video quality, orientation, sound source, and frame rate for the way you want your video to be whilst recording the screen. So everything that I will do here is going to be recorded because I'm recording the screen already. And at the end, I'll show you everything that I've recorded. Okay, so this is all that I've recorded. As you can see here, that's the recording file, the recorded file in the folder there. This is where I showed you the orientation, the resolution, the video quality, and sound source. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button for more.